Hi guys, welcome back
to
to
another YouTube video,
Aqua Rose, and this is our real life. Today's kind of scary. Are you scared?
No. We basically did all the scary stuff already.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so today's a big day for us because we're actually moving out. Our movers are here, and we have been in this this apartment for exactly 5 years. Literally exactly 5 years, because we moved in Memorial Day weekend 5 years ago in 2017.
Yes.
And we actually already did all the hard work, and now our movers are here.
They're doing the...
They're doing like the big stuff and the heavy stuff. Yeah, let's put it here. Yeah, so this is our kitchen. It's almost empty.
Yeah, we just have like a table and a couple things. We should have a pantry.
I wonder if can you see the movers? Oh no, you can just see the other end. Yeah, Jack, I'm sure you're worried about Jack, but he's fine. Our cat Jack is in the bathroom. He's trapped. He has his food in there in his litter box. And he's staying nice and safe.
Food, water, litter box.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're moving out, and we got these awesome movers helping us. Let's see if you can see. There's a huge truck.
Huge truck.
And a
You see
nice
it?
man.
You can't really see it.
We have a nice, big, strong crew of men helping us.
Many men.
Thank God.
Like 5 men? Maybe 5?
Yeah, I think there's like 4 or 5. The main guy, his name is Adam, and he's been like really nice. So yeah, this is our kitchen, which is almost empty.
Some of the guys have big accents.
Yeah, the only thing left in here is our kitchen table.
And some like our water, keys, trash bag.
Yeah, this is just all the stuff we're going to take with us, but we're going to do that last. And then, yeah. And then this was our craft room. And it's almost empty. The first room that is completely empty is Valentina's old room.
This is my room.
Here it is.
Yes. Big.
Completely empty.
Nothing in here. Besides that sparkle of glitter. And a couple of dirty things.
Oh,
In
sparkle.
the closet.
You should look in there. That's her old closet. Oh.
This is a closet that I can go in.
Jack's in the bathroom, but we're not going to show you that because we want to keep him safe.
Yes.
And let's see. We'll just focus on this.
Big mattress.
That's her mattress. I don't know where the other guys are. They must be on the other part. This is our living room. It's almost empty.
We have a TV. A big,
Just a couch.
A big TV.
That's our TV.
And here's a fire room.
The fire room is another room that is completely empty.
This is where my mom like did fire.
This is where I did like meditations and
Show the whole room.
candles.
It's a very thin room. It's like
This is a small little room.
it's as big.
Wow, it's exactly as wide as your wingspan. What if you go this way? And then it's two of you that way.
Wait. So it goes up to there. Almost 2 of me.
Almost 2 of you. And then if we go through this.
Don't go through that door because that door has a big wooden plank. So we don't want to. This is a big wooden plank
Ooh.
that looks like Splinter.
This
And
is
then
my old bedroom.
This looks like
That's
Splinter.
my big, awesome king-size bed.
No. Is that Splinter Heaven? Because it looks like Splinter Heaven.
Yeah, that looks like plywood. Yep. And that's my awesome mattress that I love so much.
And you bounce on it when it's rolled up.
It's super bouncy. That's going to go into storage.
Super
And
bouncy when you're actually doing it. It's like a little rocking chair.
this is my old closet that is completely empty. was a small closet, but it was good enough.
My closet is a little bigger.
Yeah, so that after, once this is done, we're gonna put our stuff in storage. And we'll show you that too, okay?
Yeah.
Yay, hello, and
Then we'll show you the storage. The storage is pretty cool.
storage is really cool. Yeah, okay, we'll show you more from a move out day. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I mean, we probably will clip it, so I don't know. But we are at our storage unit, and this is the before result. We did a little bit.
This is our storage unit. The truck just got here. They must have stopped for lunch too. We stopped for lunch. And yeah, this is it. This is our couch, which looks weird because it's all squished, but it makes a pretty cool shape. So will our stuff fit in this 15 by 10 storage unit? What do you think, guys?
This is a really comfy seat.
It better fit. Ooh, it's hot up here.
Feels so tiny.
All right, we'll show you guys more later.
Can you make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and notification